Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Wix. Wix is a popular website builder that allows you to easily create professional looking websites without any coding skills. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to create a website using Wix. So please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I will go ahead and jump right into the Wix tutorial. You will need to sign up. You will find the link down below in the description. So go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct sign up page. First, click on the Get Started button. This will take you to the sign up page where you can sign up with your Google or Facebook account or continue with your email. Choose the option that is most convenient for you and follow the steps to complete the sign up process. Once you have completed the sign up process, you will be taken to your account. From there, you can start building your website using Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Once you are inside your account, you can click on the My Site button here at the top and select Go to My Sites. Here you can view all your sites, organize them into folders, perform site actions, and more. So, let's start by creating a new site. First, click the +Create New Site button to get started. This will take you to a page where you can choose the type of website you want to create, whether you want to create a blog, a portfolio, an online store, or a business website. Wix has a variety of templates and features to choose from. Once you select the type of website you want to build, then click on Next. Next, you will need to enter a name for your website. This is an important step, as your website name will be the first thing that visitors see when they arrive at your site. If you don't have a name in mind, take some time to brainstorm ideas and find a name that is memorable, unique, and easy to remember. Once you have entered the name of your website, click Next to continue. The next step is to choose the features you want to add to your website. Wix makes this process easy with its one-click feature selection. Just scroll through the list of available features such as bookings, online stores, events, portfolios, and pricing plans, and select the ones that you want to add to your website. Once you have added the features you want, click Next to continue. After clicking Next, Wix presents two options to create a website: begin with a template or get a custom-built site. If you choose to begin with a template, you will need to customize a designer-made template for your website. If you select Get a custom-built site, Wix will create a site for you in minutes using artificial intelligence. For this tutorial, we will use a template and customize it, so we will click on Begin with a Template. Once you click on Begin with a Template, Wix takes you to the Website Templates gallery, where you can choose from different types of templates. Wix offers around 800 templates that can be filtered by category or search. Once you find a template that fits your project, hover over the template and two options will appear: Edit and View. Click on Edit to start customizing your website. Wix will redirect you to the Wix Editor page, where you can modify your website using the options on the left-hand side of the editor. Once you are on the Wix Editor page, you can start customizing your website with several options available on the left-hand side. These options include Add Elements, Add Section, Pages and Menu, Site Design, Add Apps, My Business, Media, and Content Manager. With the Add Elements option, you can add different website elements to your Wix website. This feature allows you to add website elements that aren't included in the template, such as text, image, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, and more. To add any element, simply choose the element and drag it to your website. For instance, if you want to add a button to your website, click on the Button element and then select the design of the button from the Themed Buttons section. Once you find it, drag it to your website. This feature is particularly useful when you want to customize your website beyond the template provided by Wix. You can use Add Elements to create your own design and add any features that are not available in the template. To add new sections to your website, simply click on the Add Section option on the left-hand side of the Wix Editor page. Here, you can choose from a range of pre-designed sections or create a blank one. Once you've selected the section you want to add, you can drag and drop it into your website. This is an easy way to add new content and structure to your site without having to design everything from scratch. If you want to add new pages and menus to your website, click on the Pages and Menu option on the left-hand side of the Wix Editor page. This will give you an overview of your current menus, pages, and their visibility in the main menu. When you're ready to add a new Wix page, simply click on the Add Page button to open the page selection menu. From here, you can choose from a range of page templates or create a blank one. This is a great way to expand the content and functionality of your website, making it more useful and engaging for your audience. Site Design allows you to customize the color and font of your website. By clicking on Site Design and then hovering over Site Theme and then clicking on Customize, you can easily adjust the colors and text of your website. Additionally, you can change the page background and add page transitions to enhance the visual appeal of your website. The Add Apps panel allows you to integrate apps into your website. By clicking on Add Apps, you will be taken to the Wix App Market, where you can browse through different apps from various categories. Once you have found the app that you want to install, simply click on it and then click on the Add to Site button to add the app to your website. My Business panel helps you to manage your various aspects of your website, such as the Wix blog, Wix payments, Wix chat, and Wix site search. By using this panel, you can easily add and manage these features to make your website more professional and user-friendly. This panel is especially useful for business owners who want to optimize their websites for marketing and sales. For example, by clicking the Create Post button, from here you can create blog posts. You can start adding a title to your post before you write the rest of your post. Adding a title makes sure that your post is auto-saved. When you're ready, click Publish. Besides these blogging-related apps, there are more than 200 others that will enrich your entire site and allow you to create something both you and your users will love. In the Media panel, you can add and manage all the visual elements of your website, such as images and videos. You have the option to upload files from your computer or import them from your social media accounts or cloud storage services like Google Drive and Google Photos. Additionally, Wix offers a library of free images and videos that you can use to enhance your website's visual appeal. The Content Manager panel, on the other hand, allows you to easily manage your site's content. You can create new blog posts, add and edit pages, and manage your website's structure and navigation. You can also organize your content by using tags and categories, making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for on your website. Now, once you've designed your website by using the tools in the left menu, now it's time to publish your website. To ensure that your website looks and functions exactly how you intended it, it's always a good idea to preview it before publishing. To preview your website, click on Preview at the top right corner of the page. The preview function allows you to see how your website will look and feel to visitors. Your blog comes with default content. Be sure to delete these articles before you publish your blog. Once you are satisfied with the design and functionality of your website, you can publish it by clicking the Publish button. After you publish, your website will be live on the internet and accessible to anyone. You can also make changes and updates to your website after publishing it. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Wix. There are more things to learn about Wix, so if you're interested in an advanced tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make it happen whenever I get a chance. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.